What's going on, guys? I'm back with a no cap trading video. For those who don't know, my name is Tyrese Collins. And if you guys saw my previous video, I showed you guys the truth on my trading and what was happening live on the spot. So if you haven't seen it, watch the next one. But I'm going to show you how we were able to get out of that profitable. So right here on the screen, you guys can see my shares. I was buying because I was recovering. Trying to lower my average. So I was buying, trying to lower my average, just continue to sell off. I have another buy here. You can see this green arrow here. And then um, thankfully, the market bounced back up and I was able to take profits at 128.60. I still had 8 shares remaining, and I was able to recover those 8 shares today, which leads us to the $25 profit on TQs today. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, give you guys a little update on how I was able to take profits. The market just bounced off of this support level, which was previous support in the past when you go to the overall market. So let me make this more readable for you. And let's see here. So overall market, bam, look at this support line. It was testing, bounced back up off of the support line yesterday, so it allowed me to take profits. And then today we're getting rejected. Why are we getting rejected, guys? So here's some free value for you. If you don't know what's going on with our government, we have been spending a lot more money than what we should be. And we could be at a point where we have to say we can't pay back our debt anymore. And this is would cause a government shutdown. I don't know 100% sure if they voted yet on shutting down or not shutting down. But we are at a point of fear in the overall market on whether or not what is the plan to be able to pay back the debts that we dug ourselves into in the condition that we are in now. So that's kind of what's happening in the overall market. Why there's fear, why there's selling off beginning to happen. So don't be afraid, just be able to manage your position size, know that we're in choppy waters right now, and be able to just watch, prepare, keep an eye out, and look for buying opportunities. I do think there will be more opportunities. Is there a possibility that the market can continue to sell off? Excuse me, yes. That is a possibility. It can continue to sell off. And that is just something you need to be aware of when you're thinking about investing in companies and trying to take advantage of dip buys. Today, I took that into consideration, and a stock that I invested in was SQQQ. When the market goes down, this stock goes up. We were able to profit nearly $40 on the day, which I am very happy about, considering I didn't want to trade at all today, and having some couple of things in my life that I got to take care of. So anyways, I was able to take advantage. If you see my other videos, it's a lot easier to invest in a company or invest in the ETF or invest in anything that has an uptrend. So when it's trending up, it's a lot easier to follow those trends and ride the wave up. So that's what I did. I rode the wave up, took in some profits. Another company that I invested in, or ETF I invested in, was LabD. So when the what is it um, when the biotech goes down, LabD goes up, I believe. Let's see here. Go to my watch list. Let's see. SPY Biotech. Let's see. So SPY Biotech goes down. LabD goes up. So that's another ETF that you guys can watch, but I was able to take advantage of these of the uptrend on the day. I didn't buy too many shares, total of 30 shares, um, $14.30 profit. So overall, I was able to make about 50, 60 bucks on the day, which is not bad. I didn't even want to trade in the first place anyway, so I'll take the 60 bucks. So far, 5 days in a row green, probably even more than that. I started keeping track 5 days ago in regards to just being more efficient and calculating profits and being able to take track, be able to test myself, test my skills, and just kind of keep track of how I'm doing on a weekly basis, on a daily basis, and as this continues to compound on a yearly basis, things like that. I know what I've done in the past, but now I'm going to put it in an Excel sheet to be more organized instead of on a piece of paper. So it's time to better myself, better my trading, and be able to help you guys more efficiently. So that's why we are doing this no cap trading to show you guys the truth of what it looks like to trade and how it's not always $1,000 days, but sometimes you can have $60 days, $100 days, and yes, you can have those $1,000 days, but it is going to take time to get to those days. It is going to take a lot of skill, patience, practice. And so when we get to that point, which we have been in that point, I myself have made thousands of dollars in a day, and I'm very thankful for it. But now I'm dialing it back, sticking to the basics, focusing on my skill sets. So when I'm ready to be more aggressive and the time will come, then I'm able to stop making those silly mistakes and be able to profit more consistently. So
Next video.